Hello. When I was a student at your stage, I often had one question. Why is this the rule? And most of the time, the answer was, that's just how it is. So I memorized formats. I practiced sums. I managed to score. But I did not truly understand what was happening behind the entries. Later, when I studied accounting at a deeper level, I realized something important. Accounting is not about remembering rules. It is about understanding the logic behind those rules. Every journal entry represents a real business event. Every adjustment has a purpose. Every format exists for a reason. If you understand the logic, the subject becomes simple. If you only memorize steps, it feels confusing. That is why this channel exists. Here we will focus on clarity. We will start from the basics. We will break every concept down step by step. And most importantly, we will understand the why behind every rule. In every video, we will also practice sums together, because understanding without application is incomplete. When your foundation is strong, you don't panic in exams. You don't get stuck when the question changes. You think logically. This channel is for students who want accounting to finally make sense, not just for marks, but for real understanding. If that is what you are looking for, subscribe. And let's build strong concepts, one topic at a time.